Hi, I'm Castella K. Today I'm going to show you how to use chopsticks about picking up noodles and how to eat Somen noodles from shopping. So now let's go shopping with me. Yeah, this one. This one is my favorite. My favorite somen noodle. This one is menzu. Yes. My favorite brand menzu. Yes. Oigatsu tsu. It's about $3.5. This one is negi. Yeah, this one almost 300 yen. A little bit expensive today. This one is the ginger. It's about 100 yen. Yeah, this one. This one is a processed ginger. Yes, almost 120 yen. This one is myoga. This one. Okay, let me tell you the ingredients of somen. This one is somen. It's a very thin noodle made of wheat flour. And this one is a natural ginger, and this one is a processed ginger. And today I'm going to compare natural ginger and processed ginger. And this one is a myoga. It's so popular vegetable for somen. And this one is mentsu. It's a noodle soup base. It's used for udon and soba and somen. Today I'm gonna eat it somen. And this mentsu is also used for tempura. Oh, this one is negi. Good to see you again. Yeah, I met you on the natto video before. Yeah, it's also so popular vegetable for somen too. Wash and cut, myoga, and negi. Yeah. Like this. Like this. Next, wash and grate ginger. It smells so refreshing. Yeah. So comfortable smell. Okay, this one is the processed ginger. Let me tell you how to hold chopsticks again. Hold one chopstick like a pencil and hold the other chopstick at the base of the thumb and ring finger. And slide the tip of the thumb like this. Okay, now let's compare the natural ginger and processed ginger. Natural ginger smells strong. Strongly refreshing smell. So spicy and refreshing fragrant. Yeah, so hot. Processed ginger, I did smell sour and salty smell. Not so strong, not so smell strong, and a bit salty. I'd say the natural ginger is more more refreshing, strongly refreshing smell and more fragrant. But if you choose processed ginger, you can save at least maybe about 10 minutes. So yeah, that depends on how much time, how much free time you have. But about the taste, the natural ginger is more fragrant and more flavorful and probably yeah, it's much better. Yeah. And then boil some water. Boil some water. Somen is so thin noodle, like this. Yeah, probably it's the thinnest noodle in Japan. Yeah, like this. Very thin noodle. Okay, boil the somen. After 2 minutes, cool somen like this. And cool and wash it. And serve it. Somen is so soft and so thin noodle like this. Serve some mentsu. Thin the mentsu with butter, like this. Thin the mentsu. And then add some toppings. Negi. And myoga. And ginger. Yes. That's perfect. Okay, now let's eat. It's so soft noodle. It's so fluffy. You almost no need to chew it. And the fragrance of ginger and myoga and negi stimulate your appetite. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's so easy to digest. So many Japanese people eat somen in very hot summer season. Every year, every summer. So flavorful. About picking up a noodle, stopping the noodle in front of your mouth is important. Like this. Of course, you can eat it, the noodles, directly to your mouth like this. After you got used to using the chopsticks. But for chopsticks beginner, I would say stopping the noodles in front of your mouth is apparently easier for you to eat the noodles. My mom often said when I was a child, Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.